So I'm out here. Today is Tuesday, the 30th of January, I think. I'm just prepping some beds. I'm just doing some garden work, cleaning up some weeds, relocating accidentally transplanted Bermuda grass into the ground or trying to, whatever. And I'm just looking around at stuff. The dog. Just looking around at stuff. And we planted in the two basils, well, there's the basils and the rosemary. The rosemary obviously being the only expected perennial. And I'm just looking around it. I saw some weeds around it, so I went to pick it. And rosemary is flowering. How fun. So I do have lavender seeds, and I'm thinking I'm going to put my little greenhouse out here. But we do have little purple lavender, rosemary flowers. How exciting. Yeah. Exciting times.